Spencer, born October the 4th. Hello guys, welcome to Jamaican. Today I am in Lacovia. Lacovia is in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. I am at the famous Tombstone in St. Elizabeth, Lacovia. Now this is where two persons were buried, and these are the two.
Come and chat with Tania.
Okay, so we're right beside the Texaco gas station along the main highway in Lacovia. Two grey concrete tombs lie raised, almost in the middle of the road. One is unmarked, but the other belongs to one Thomas Jordan Spencer, said to be an ancestor to Winston Churchill and Diana Spencer. Why these two men were buried here is a mystery, as are the circumstances surrounding their deaths. Lacovia is the longest village in Jamaica, laid out for more than 5 miles on either side of the South Coast Highway and the Black River, both of which divide the community into East and West Lacovia. Lacovia was once home to one of the largest Jewish communities in Jamaica, and the town is still of great importance to the existing Jamaican Jewish community today. According to the National Heritage Trust, a tale is told that a party was in progress at a nearby tavern when a disagreement began between two persons, and this developed into a fight. As a result, both persons were killed, and they were buried side by side. Tombstones, known as the Lacovia Tombstones, were erected in memory of these deceased persons. One of the tombstones no longer bears an inscription, but the other is dedicated to Thomas Jordan Spencer.
Okay guys, so this reads, here lies interred the body of Thomas Jordan Spencer, born October the 4th, 1723, who departed this life Sunday morning, September the, I'm not seeing a number there, 1738. So to me, this person was born 1723 and then the person died 1738.
Spencer's tombstone bears a crest which indicates that he was a descendant of the late Duke of Marlborough and the late Sir Winston Spencer Churchill. Throughout the 18th century, Black River and Lacovia alternated as the capital of the parish of St. Elizabeth. At one point in time, the river was the main transportation route for the parish. As road travel through the dense and humid mangrove swamps was treacherous at worst, miserable at best. The name Lacovia seems to be derived from the Spanish name for mahogany, La Coba, when the main industry was the logging of mahogany trees, which were floated down the river to the wharf for export.
more.